Cashew Nut Curry with Bengal Gram. A main dish from India. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Powder coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, khus-khus and shajeera and keep aside. Chop tomato. Grate onion or alternately crush it. Keep aside. Step 2. Soak cashew nuts in about 1.5 cup warm water for half hour. Step 3. Wash Bengal gram, drain, and add to the soaking cashew nuts. Boil until Bengal gram is cooked, about 12 to 15 minutes on moderate heat. Step 4. In order to test if Bengal gram is cooked, take a single grain and crush between fingers. If center is slightly white/cream colored, then it / is done. It / is important that Bengal gram is not overcooked. In a deep skillet, heat oil and add garlic, ginger, onion, red chili powder, turmeric and salt. Stir for 5 minutes on moderate heat. Now add tomato pieces and fry for 5 more minutes. CountryReports. Then add powdered masala and the boiled Bengal gram and cashew